tonight. I've seen him speak a couple of times, and he's extremely knowledgeable about a great number of topics. And he's here to share some of that information with you. Most of it I've never heard before. Like, I always learn a lot when he's on. And so I'd like to welcome him to the show. This is Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First. Thank you so much for being on.
Thank you for having me.
So I've heard you speak about spectrum disorders like autism, global consciousness, computer technology, like just all over the place. And so what is it that you'd like to speak to us about tonight?
Today, probably an extension. I did a 1-hour lecture on drone box. Previously, taking a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder, where I approach mental. That's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the preconscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics, which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself, you have subliminal, you have supraliminal, you have hyperliminal, covering mental disorder from all these different disciplines. And today I would probably like to maybe an extension of it, or possibly see whatever direction this goes in.
Sure, yeah, I'm down for that as well. I have